Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-150-TEMP outdoor temperature display. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to simply display the separate temperature display within the surrounding area alongside a separate GPS time-only clock. So in other words, these two GPS clock and this temperature display are going to be inside the same room, and they are going to each display the time of day alongside the temperature within the surrounding area. So I'm going to just simply showcase the functions of this temperature display and how it is meant to work and how to simply switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit. So currently it is set to Fahrenheit, so it's going to detect the most amount of heat right now that is in the surrounding area, and right now in this room it's currently displaying 77 degrees Fahrenheit. But in order to get it to display the Celsius, we just simply go into our temperature sensor, and this is the housing that houses the sensor inside. So we just simply twist it to the left side, and then you just take the housing off, and now we have access to the temperature probe dip switch set, which is located in the inside of the housing. And as you can see, there's these 6 little knobs that each allows the user to set the Fahrenheit or the Celsius. So right now we have, as you can see right here, it says that it is currently set to switch 5 and all the other switches from 1 through 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are switched off. And the only switch that's switched on right now is switch 5. So if we want to switch to from Fahrenheit to Celsius, according to the instructions right here, we have to just simply turn off switch 5, and then we have to switch on switch 6 according to the instructions right here on the bottom, as you can see right here. So we just wait for a couple of seconds for that to start switching up from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then as you can see, it switched from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 25 degrees Celsius. So if we want to switch it back to Fahrenheit once more, so if we want to switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit, we just simply turn off the switch 6, and then you just simply switch on the switch 5. And that is all there is to it. And that's how you are able to switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, closure is an aluminum IP66 black powder coating, and the display size for it is 15 inches that can be viewed up to a total of 700 feet away. The number of digits that this unit has is 4 digits that each displays 0 through 9 on the first 3 digits in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Meanwhile, the 4th digit only displays the degrees. Its power type is a 3-prong 9 feet power cord with 120 to 240 VAC and a junction box, and that comes with 9 feet of cabling. For mounting, we have our 2 C-channel mounting on the back of the enclosure. So as you can see, these little rails right here, these are our C-channel mounting, and this allows the user to wall mount it to any sturdy surface, such as concrete wall, for example. And lastly, for accessories, we have our DC-TEMP1 outdoor temperature sensor with housing, and that also comes with 10 to 25 feet of cabling. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-150-TEMP outdoor temperature display. Thanks for watching.